Yeah, you are right. This is also a distraction. You know, because I am doing good, I am missing great. Because I am doing good, I am missing great. Because when I read first time, I not know couple of years back, I didn't understand what is the meaning. Today after our talk, you will understand what we are talking about.
Yeah, so I hope today we had wonderful lunch, right? And after lunch, what did we eat? Some of you maybe skipped, some of you would have eaten desserts. So what happens when we eat sugar? Instant energy. And after some time, tired, feeling drowsy, sleepy, that's where this dance we all have done. So similarly, distractions also, like instantly we feel good, but later we realize that we are actually out of our focus. So let me give you some examples in a simpler way. Weekend outings. Have you seen in your communities or in your friends? Weekly they plan something or the other, like, okay, let's go to Mysore trip, or staying in Bangalore I'm talking about. Today I got a message from our community people that today is friendship day, let's get together. Then I saw the message, let's have chips, chat, snacks, chaat snacks, and I don't know what else they are doing. Oh, okay, I thought. So this is distraction. But what I am doing here, I came here to get the best out of the event, from the learnings from the other cross-line leaders. Why? Because I have my long-term goals, etc. Another example I can give you. Kitty parties also the same way. Monthly, if you see Instagram in your hometowns, like I have in my hometown, I really wonder. I have a lot of friends, followers, right? I see that people almost every once in 15 days, ladies I'm talking about, they always these kitty parties. Few years back I was seeing they were spending their time at their homes. Now I am seeing they are going to restaurants or resorts, and I'm not saying it's wrong, it's their way of living, but what I can say that if I will go like that, what will happen to my long-term goals? Will it get affected or not?
See, sometimes distractions are distractions. It's not looking like a distraction. Okay, let's say I am doing real serious work. I got a call from my mother. How many of you pick immediately? I also pick immediately. But sometimes you need to say no to good things so you can achieve great things. That's the reason I am giving the example of calling. Mother calling there is no other better thing than that. Am I right? Yes, no? So I'll give you another example. Let's say you are doing some work. The bell, your front bell ringing. What you do? You stop and you will see other person. Let's say other person is like a delivery boy. Means he is delivering something. What do you do? Let's say you are talking to your mother. You say like, wait 1 minute. Pick the parcel, you will continue talking to your mother. Let's say the other person is fixing maybe your sink, means it takes little time. What do you do? Mama, I'll call you later. You will give priority to that guy. Everyone understood the scenario? So sometimes what happens is like, it looks like we are doing the things right, but we are not living in our own way. Some of us are living the way, the maid comes, because of that I cannot attend 2 clubs. You know? I heard one of my downlines saying that my maid comes at the same time, so I cannot be attending 2 clubs. What does it mean? It looks silly, but that is what lot of times we get decisions. That is, looks like a maid is, I am not getting any maid, it looks like a good now. Let's say you are getting a office, your manager is praised and he gave you like how I got like $200, $300, maybe 10%, 20% hike, and he will say like, hey, from tomorrow onwards you need to take extra, behave like a next level. What we do? Oh man, I got the promotion, let's do it.
the important also. It makes that we feel very busy at that moment. Yes, we are out of our goals. But how can we avoid from these distractions? We can avoid these, sorry, we can avoid these distractions from having or keeping in our mind long-term goals. So why long-term goals? Just like what Sonam was saying, right? Maggie or biryani. Same thing. Maggie gives us happiness or fills the stomach instantly. But real maja, I'm Telugu girls, I'm talking about biryani. So what happens? Real happiness might come from biryani. Why? It is time taking one. If we do it good, it happens the same way. Similarly, long-term goals also, if we keep it in our mind and when we work for them, that's where we can achieve higher things in our life.
It's good. See, what is the difference between long-term and short-term goals? Sometimes we always walk towards short-term goal. We slowly digested by our short-term goal, we forgot our long-term goals. What is the long-term goal? Have you any time thought about it? Have we any time said ourselves, what I am going to be next 2 years, next 3 years, next 5 years? What is our life purpose? Before I die, everyone will die now. Nothing wrong in that. Am I dying peacefully? But at the end of the day, that's what we talk about spiritual. But am I guilty about what I am doing all my life? Or am I really achieving what I want to achieve? That's a big, big thing. If you talk about long term, if you talk about 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, that is where we can work on these distractions. Once you have a focus, once you have a clear-cut goal, what do we want, then these distractions won't be matter. Because what I am doing today, is it going to impact after 10 years? Is it going to work? What I am doing today, am I going towards the direction of my achieving my 10-year goals or dreams? So I will like to show, we also did a lot of long-term things. So what I want you to is I want you guys to see. other location just to accommodate our downlines so that they can come freely, because other home is not easy to come. There is no bus service. It's not too far. We were living maybe one floor, maybe half of that one floor. Most of my downlines now we are living almost 6 in instant. What we always talk about instant humans. So first sit with yourself. What do I want in 1 year, in 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years? Work towards it. Sit with your mentor and make yourself work towards it. If anything is possible. One day I was I think sitting with Sam. I don't know if he remembers it or not. I asked Sam, you are making so much money. Why not you buy every month 1 month small land? He does not. Why not? I don't know. I'm sure you cannot guess the answer. Can I tell? It's very simple. What he said is like, see, Bhakti, if I invest small things, when I got an opportunity to big deal, do you think I have a cash? I have a resources to buy? You understand what I'm saying? Do you think we would have bought the house? It is impossible. Don't distract with the small, nowadays now people are talking about I can invest in share market, I can invest in this, that, I can go on site for 3 months, I can make 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs. This money is good. I'm not saying that money is bad or something. Check with the person who is working with you. So I only approved a couple of them go on site. It's not because everyone to go, because he has a lot of debts and all the things. You understand what I'm saying? Take a decision with your mentor. Do you think we bought it ourselves? We took our Saman Manatri, we took Sandeep Shuddhi, we took Hari Ramya. We were discussing. First Sam said no, then we told why we want to achieve, why we want this house is important. Then you need, that is your responsibility to convince your mentor, your coach, and make sure that he agrees, then only we bought it. I think I have not told Sam, I think I can tell now. Initially Sam said no. Okay. And again he said no. After I think we met in Delhi, coming back from some ALS. And again we explained 1 hour after seeing our why we want. Then he agreed. What is the difference of the cash villa we lost? Almost 10 to 20 lakhs. Means before we would have bought it, it was in 10 to 20 lakhs less. But doesn't matter. I respect, because who will give the real guidance, they don't think about what they are going to get out of it. They really think about you. What is best for you? Is there anyone other than your parents? That is possible in this community called Vision. So we'll end with this one quote. I like it. That's where I'm sharing. If you don't recognize hidden distractions, it doesn't look like a distraction. It looks like, hey, I'm working for office, I'm cleaning my house only now. Sometimes cleaning house itself is a distraction. They quietly steal your years of life. Years could have been used to build our dreams. I like it, I'll tell you again. I'll repeat it again. If you do not recognize hidden distractions, does not look like a distraction for you. Maybe it can be like maybe watching a movie also. And they quietly steal years of our life. Anyone can see now? Years could have been used to build our own dreams. This option, this reshaped nation, with this, we can create our goals, our dreams, whatever you want. Am I making sense? And we are really fired up, and we are really seeing good growth here, and we also want to show we come back with strong diamondship by next year. And that's it from our side. Back to our wonderful host.